Hello everyone! Welcome to our presentation on the 5 best car accessories you can buy this year. Get ready to elevate your driving experience with cutting-edge tech, enhanced safety, and personalized style. Let's dive into the world of automotive innovation and discover the must-have accessories that will transform your journeys for the better. Buckle up and let's begin. Number 5. Scosche MagicMount Charge 3 Wireless Charging Mount. The Scosche MagicMount Charge 3, a Kai-certified wireless charging mount for your car. With up to 10 W fast charging, secure stick grip material, and powerful magnets, it's the ultimate solution for keeping your device charged and safe on the go. Plus, it comes with a 3-year warranty. Number 4. Nonda ZUS Smart Vehicle Health Monitor. Revolutionize your car maintenance with the Nonda ZUS Smart Vehicle Health Monitor. Keep tabs on engine health, decode error codes, and predict potential issues. The Pro Dashboard lets you monitor car data like a pro. Easy self-installation and premium material ensure durability. Not compatible with a few models, so check before buying. Stay smart and drive safe with ZUS. Number 3. Vicseed MagSafe Car Mount. Introducing the Vicseed MagSafe Car Mount, the ultimate foam holder for safe driving. With 20 powerful magnets, strong adhesion, and a stylish design, it's perfect for iPhone 12, 13, and 14 users. Its 360 degrees flexibility ensures the perfect angle, and the durable all-metal construction guarantees lasting performance. Stay connected and drive with confidence. Get the Vicseed MagSafe Car Mount today. Number 2. 70mm Smart Dashcam 1S. Revolutionize your driving experience with the 70mm Smart Dashcam 1S. Capture crystal clear 1080p Full HD visuals even in low light thanks to the Sony IMX307. Stay hands-free with voice control and enjoy secure footage storage. Connect via Wi-Fi to the 70My app for real-time access and continuous OTA updates. Drive safe with this smart companion. Number 1. Ticarve Cleaning Gel. Introducing the Ticarve Cleaning Gel, your car's new best friend. This high-tech putty effortlessly cleans those tricky spots, from vents to cup holders. Reusable, lavender-scented, and easy to use. Say goodbye to dirt and hello to a spotless interior. Get yours now. That's a wrap for today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. The product links mentioned are available in the description below for your convenience. Stay tuned for more exciting videos come your way. Have a good day.